Yes, sir.
Niye bağırıyordu? Kaç kişiydiler?
Oh my god!
How do I pet? How do we? Oh.
kadar.
Erika, pai.
Space. I get that you
Go, go. Excuse me? George! George!
Ew, ew. Oh my god.
Hoş geldin.
Do it.
You're scaring me.
What a funny cat.
Oh, she's not. Oh, so sorry about that.
Okay.
Where's the catnip?
For it until now.
Great. Big ol' eyes.
What a gentle fight.
Choice is yours.
This is my meat.
William, get ready.
Get down from the fridge right now. Stop it!
Let's see a handstand. Damn straight. Why you sit on? You scared? You don't seem scared.
One, two, three. Make your silly face go.
Oh! Tap, honey, tap. No! Do it.
Pop the package up here.
I know you're about to bite me.
Three, two, one.
Luna, stop.
Was that you?
Chapa chapa dubi dubi daba daba.
Cats. I love cats. They're the best thing in my life.
Should I get a dog?
Hello, Phoenix.
Asshole.
Stop.
Somebody come get her. She did.
Just like that, then a nasty girl. I'm sorry. Ay, qué bonito.
Yes, it's a wig.
Really careful. Not yet. Roger.
Look at my son. Pride is not.
Would you like to wear this as a hat?
March 3rd, my youngest daughter, Barbara, was...
Stop, you're scaring me. You're scaring
The water good too.
Because that just doesn't make sense. Like, it just wasn't getting through to her.
I'll probably